Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling how to transfer from ETH to USDT in 2025. If you're holding Ethereum and want to swap it for the stability of USDT, you're in the right place. This process has evolved with new tech and regulations, making it safer and faster than ever. Let's dive in. First off, why make this transfer? Ethereum, or ETH, is volatile and great for growth, but USDT is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, perfect for holding value without the rollercoaster rides. In 2025, with advanced blockchain upgrades like Ethereum 3.0, transfers are quicker, but always prioritize security to avoid scams. Step 1. Set up your wallet or exchange. Use trusted platforms like MetaMask for wallets or Coinbase and Binance for exchanges. Make sure your account is verified and secure with two-factor authentication. Step 2. Check current market rates. Head to sites like CoinMarketCap or Crypto.com to see ETH to USDT exchange rates. Look out for fees, which might be lower in 2025 due to improved network efficiency. Step 3. Initiate the transfer. On your exchange, select ETH as the asset to sell and USDT as the one to buy. Enter the amount, review the transaction details, and confirm. If using a wallet, connect to a decentralized exchange like Uniswap for a direct swap. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. Blockchain transactions can take minutes, so keep an eye on your account. Once done, your USDT should appear in your wallet. Finally, always double-check for security. Use hardware wallets for large amounts and stay updated on 2025's regulations to avoid taxes or legal issues. That's it. You've successfully transferred ETH to USDT. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.